Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. This video is about the PLAS 2025 program being held in Mayura Phase 3 in a park, a very big park by the name Smriti 1. And this is the board of flowers made for the flower show. And here is the map showing the area and details about the park. This is a lake that is in the park, and you can see the floating flower decorations in the lake. The lake has got provisions for boating too. Anyone visiting the park, not only during this PLAS 2025 program, but even otherwise, can go for boating. There are two bridges over this the bar that you're seeing here. This bar is of the bridge over the lake, and there are two bridges like this, and the park itself is a very large park. It has got a huge area of 58 acres, and one side of the park is of Noida and the other is Delhi. It comes in the Delhi Noida border, and in the Delhi side you will find New Kontli. To come to this location you have to go for some kind of conveyance, including the metro and buses and your own conveyance like cars, to come to a place near New Kontli. Smriti Van, that is the name of the park. Here you can see dahlias. A lot of dahlias are here. Yellow dahlias, that white tipped red dahlias, which is a very popular cultivar. And here you can see a lot of petunias. These are red petunias, and these are petunias of all colors, all possible colors. You can see very wonderful flowers, and this is a kind of representation of the sun, I think. Peacock, Indian peacock, that is the national flower of national bird of India. And here is a few pictorial representations of themes like national science. Here's a crane that is feeding its young one, and here's a cow. A child is feeding the cow. It's a sacred animal for Indians, and these are all made of flowers, a lot of flowers, hundreds of thousands of flowers going to the making of these. This is a giraffe. It is also made of flowers. It's an art or a sculpture made of flowers. It's very popular in flower shows like this. It's a kangaroo, a native of Australia, and a depiction of that is made in matching colors, and you can see the young one of the kangaroo at its pouch below. And here comes the leucistic or white or albino peacock, Indian peacock. It's one of the best I have seen here. It's amazing. I loved it. And see, it's also made of different kind of flowers. Like Rajnigandha is there, I think. And this is the front look of the peacock, white peacock. And there's a powerful message here given in a board here that says, you see in this board, it's Ram's journey to Lanka to fight Ravan. The devil king, and this is a squirrel that has joined Ram in helping build the Ram Setu. You can see the three lines on its back, which is showing the fingers of Ram. And here is a Barasinka. Barasinka is an endangered, not I mean, vulnerable species of animal. It has already vanished from Pakistan and Bangladesh, and a few populations, isolated populations, are existing in Nepal and India. And here is a powerful message: don't let the extinct. And here you can see the chimneys and the smoke emitting out of the chimneys. And the bird says, don't let them extinct. The animals have to be protected, saved. And it's a camel, and which is very common in states like Rajasthan, and occasionally we can find them in Delhi too, and in some other places, though it's a desert animal. There are a lot of flowers of all colors, all kind of flowers. You see the asters. Then here's a purple colored amaranth like foliage plant. You see the people, a lot of people are visiting the park for the flower show, and everyone is enjoying. No, this is the dianthus carnation. It's beautiful, very beautiful flowers, well kept, well maintained, and they're flowering profusely, really profusely flowering plants. These are like snapdragon, and there are some dahlias, and all kind of flowers are available here. Asters. You'll in fact find, I don't have the time to record all these things, and you'll in fact find like this a linearia toad flax. You see, these are miniature gardens made in containers, like tray gardens and dish gardens, with miniature plants and depictions of miniature things. This is a fort depicted here, and you can see people enjoying in the garden. And it's a beach garden. Like you have themes like beach architecture, like the lighthouse is there. And this is a Japanese garden. You see, Japanese themed things are depicted here, like a bridge or water body, and this is a pagoda, and a Buddha's bust, and watchtower. Miniature plants are there. Plus, to give a shape, they have also used bonsai plants. These really are highly creative, and you can take ideas for making your own dish gardens and terrariums. And you see, it can be something like a tree house, but more like a watchtower, and it's built around a tree, but it's a bonsai. See the kind of trees being used, and the plants being used. It's a small terrarium here. Terrarium will be coming again. I will show you some terrarium. This is wonderful red flowers. A bridge or water body, and bougainvillea. You got a young Lord Krishna's statue here with cows, and he's with a flute. His trademark music organ is below a tree, and this is a terrarium made of 20,000 ml of flask. Terrariums can be made in fish bowls, which will be easier for personal use. There's another garden that is also made in container. It's supported on stilts, and each one of it gives a different idea. And see, here you can see small trees and bonsais being used. See, this is a small
I hope you enjoyed the video,
and this is a
this
stage
from where the presentation
prizes are
is
being
being made
distributed.
to
And
artists
a
and
little
children who take
bigger
part in
garden,
competitions for
the models,
the Palace
different kind of
2025
gardens, small
program.
gardens, how you can.
Thank you. If you like the video, please make comments, like, and subscribe to my channel. So see you next. Until then, take care. Bye.